Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make buttermilk mint chicken. As the name says it, this is a one-pot meal made with buttermilk, mint and few dry spices, giving it a spicy, delicious and lip-smacking taste. This is a very simple ingredient recipe with very less time consuming. So do check out this video, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this buttermilk mint chicken. For mint leaves paste, first add mint, add green chilies, add garlic, add coriander, add jeera. So mix. So here the coarse paste is ready. For buttermilk mint chicken, first I'm going to add little turmeric, little coriander, mint paste, garam masala, little red chili powder, garam masala, 2 small onions, little sugar, cup of buttermilk. Mix this well. Add salt. Add 2 spoons of oil. Give this a mix. So this is mixed properly, and now we shall rest this for minimum 1 hour. So this chicken has been resting for 1 hour, and I should pour this. Keep lid and let this get cooked on a medium flame. Stir for every 5 to 10 minutes. So this is cooked, and now we can serve this. So here the buttermilk mint chicken is ready, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.